avoiding the stones in order to prepare the mix for the installation of the tensiometer. The soil with water in order to obtain a plastic texture. This is all from the same greenhouse we are going to install. This is the texture.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tonight we put the tensiometers in water in order to avoid the air in the cup, because it's a ceramic cup. It has to be contact with the soil and the mixture. So now we are going to fill the interior with an algae. Is provided by the company, concentrated, so it's 1 cup per 1 liter. Irrigation is the company, so 1 cup in 1 liter, and here with this tube, I eliminate the big bubbles if they are like this. smooth and check the manometer. The manometer is reading, so it has the same value, and maintain the vacuum. So the tensiometer have 3 components. The cap, that is, you can check it. If it's broken. It's very important, the rubber, and also the cap and the manometer. The roots are around 10 centimeters. So we install the tensiometer 10 centimeters, 12 centimeters deep. Acá al fondo pueden quedar así. We take the soil, pero que se ha caído un poquito al fondo. We clean the hole. Okay, it's okay. And it will fill with the mix. Two-thirds of the hole filled with the mix, and then we take the tensiometer. So it's going to be deep till here, more or less. So the excess of we press, and now with the soil we take from the agar. We are going to apply a pressure in order to avoid the air. From tomorrow, from the day after tomorrow, we can start to measure in because this humidity is going to be equal with the rest of the soil. We manage an irrigation when the tensiometer measure minus 25, 30 centimeters.
All right, great.